In this video I'm going to show you how to buy Roblox gift cards very easily. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. The next step is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find gift card here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Once you have arrived at this website, then navigate to gift cards and here you will find all kinds of gift cards. So the next step is go to gaming gift cards and scroll a little bit down till you will find Roblox. Then select Roblox and as you can see we have our Roblox gift cards over here. Now the next step is of course the preferred option. Always make sure this text is marked green and the gift card can be activated in your country. So select the gift card, then we can open the gift card page and here you can find all different kind of currencies. So the next step will be of course to select more options. Then search for the preferred currency and the amount of gift card you would like to purchase. Let's say we would like to purchase a 50 USD gift card, then select it. And after that you will find the price over here. Now you can add it to your cart. After that you can go to cart. Do the payment over here. You have different payment options available. Continue to payment and don't forget to use discount codes. Currently there are some discount codes available at the beginning page, so always watch for a discount code. After that continue to payment and then we can make the payment. Now once you have purchased the gift card you will receive a confirmation mail with the key inside of that. And then you can use it to redeem the gift card in your Roblox account. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.